Hi, my name is Mike, and in the next few minutes, you'll discover the true facts about term versus permanent insurance and what all young parents should know. Before we begin, let me assure you I wasn't always this go-to guy when it comes to term insurance. In fact, I was anything but. I promised myself I'd spend 4 hours a day no matter what perfecting the art of term insurance. The easy way. I discovered a secret blueprint formula that works every time, and today I'm going to reveal to you. Just keep watching. This new online system allows people just like us, real everyday men and women, to have the opportunity to get covered from the convenience of your own home 24/7. This simple system has the ability to overcome any obstacle that, until now, may have been standing in your way. I'll share all the specifics with you in just a moment. First, I feel I must warn you about the real problem you face today. This is the hidden foe, the real villain behind why you must take care of this now. And this is why not. Taking care of this is not your fault altogether. After you see this, you'll know it's your responsibility to take action. The shocking truth is that you've been lied to when it comes to how difficult and costly term insurance is to get, and those lies have all but destroyed your chances of protecting your loved ones. You may have heard, or perhaps even believed at one point, that you have to be in great health in order to get coverage. This lie is false. Just know this. Countless other smart men and women have fallen victim to this rather clever lie. Yet you have to lay it aside right now. If you don't, you'll not be able to protect your loved ones. You may even leave this burden for your family to deal with. Don't do this. Listen, this is not what I want for you, and I know it's not what you desire for yourself. You know what? This is the reason you may not have coverage now. It's not your fault, even though as of now, it's your ethical responsibility to resolve this. Sometimes we tend to blame ourselves, but I'm asking you not to do that. Instead, put all the blame on just not having enough factual information to make a decision. All that misinformation spread by insurance agents is enough to confuse the smartest person alive, and it confused me for years. Here are facts. Having a life insurance plan is critical to provide your family peace of mind and a financial safety net. But it can be confusing choosing between the two types, term life insurance and whole life insurance. How do you know which is best for you? Term life insurance offers protection for your loved ones for a specific period of time and often supplements a permanent plan. Whole life insurance policies, also called permanent policies, do not expire. They are intended to provide protection for your entire life. Some types of permanent life insurance policies accumulate cash value. Each plan type may have pros and cons depending on your needs. How does term life insurance work? With this option, your insurance premium lasts for as long as the term you select. This can be for as little as 1 year and up to 30 years. Most insurance companies offer policies in increments of 5 to 10 years, so you can get coverage for 5, 10, 20, or 30 years. For example, once the term runs out, you will have the option to continue coverage, but at a higher premium. Term policies pay death benefits to your beneficiaries if you die during the period covered by the policy. Sometimes it is possible to convert the term life policy into a whole life policy, but it depends on the insurance provider and their terms and conditions. What is the cost of term life insurance? Because the rate of your premium is locked in for the term you choose, term life insurance is frequently the most economical. Payments are made on a monthly or annual basis. Your premium amount is determined by your health and other criteria. Rates for most whole life insurance policies, which last a lifetime and generate cash value, will be greater than premiums for term life insurance. What is whole life insurance and how does it work? Whole life insurance, as the name implies, insures you for the rest of your life as long as you pay your payments. Whole life insurance usually has guaranteed level premiums, which means that the amount will never vary as long as the payments are paid. What does cash value mean? Cash value is the additional money you can contribute above the cost of insurance plan that can grow tax deferred as an investment. Contributions to a cash value option allow you to build a reserve that you may have access to through the loan and withdrawal options. How much does whole life insurance cost? The amount you pay will depend on how much coverage you want. Also factored into the cost are your age, gender, and health, among other considerations. So should I buy whole life or term insurance? In general, the The term insurance policy should be considered if you want to get comprehensive coverage at a low cost, assist with certain financial obligations such as a mortgage or new baby. A permanent policy or coverage through your employer can be supplemented. If you wish to consider a whole life insurance policy, life-saving protection, premiums that remain the same year after year, to make a tax-deferred contribution to the policy in excess of the cost of insurance, cash worth that you can use for the rest of your life. Wow, that was a lot of information. You may be feeling a tad overwhelmed at this point, and that's perfectly okay. All this means that you have two simple choices to make right now. Choice number 1, take the information I just gave you and try to go at this alone. You may put the puzzle pieces together eventually on your own. It'll take a lot longer and there's no guarantee you'll make it. Or there's the smarter choice, the one really savvy men and women take to speed up their progress towards getting covered. This is the quickest, fastest, and smartest way possible to achieve coverage without the hassles. Why go at this alone when I've already done all the work for you? This simple system that's been perfected and tested for years on countless thousands of men and women like you, and it works virtually every single time. I call this one-of-a-kind system Insurance Express Online. Test drive the Insurance Express Online system. Click the button below this video to get your coverage quote. This radically simple yet effective express coverage system will work for you, even if you have not had success in the past. This is all you have to do. Simply click on the button and fill out your information. No one will call or ask to come to your house. It's that simple to receive a free quote for the coverage you desire. Do this now.